Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Abid Ali, working as a principal at Doctor Institute of Health Sciences, Sargodha. Radiographic imaging technology fall under the umbrella of Allied Health Sciences. It's a 4-year bachelor degree program. Radiographic imaging technology is the combination of versatile technology. After completing the degree program, students can work in different labs and in hospital setup as well. They can go for post-graduation in various fields. We provide facilities for research and practical work. Doctor Institute of Health Sciences equipped with latest equipment. We have qualified faculty and staff. Doctor Institute of Health Sciences provide curricular and extracurricular activities. Please visit and join us for bright future. Thank you.